Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, ma'am, Oi, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A full deep cleaning service was carried out on the desktop PC to restore proper airflow, cooling efficiency, and overall system performance. Over time, dust accumulation inside a desktop system can severely affect its components, causing overheating, system slowdowns, and hardware stress. To prevent these issues and extend the lifespan of the machine, a thorough internal cleaning was performed. The process began with completely powering down the system and carefully removing the side panel to access the internal components. Upon inspection, significant dust buildup was observed on the cooling fans, heat sink, power supply vents, and motherboard area. This level of debris can block airflow, force the cooling system to work harder, and lead to higher temperatures, especially during heavy tasks such as gaming, video editing, or multitasking. All fans, including CPU fan, case fans, GPU fans, if present, and power supply intake areas were cleaned using compressed air and anti-static brushing tools. Dust trapped between the heatsink fins was removed to restore proper heat dissipation. The motherboard, RAM modules, GPU surface, and cabling were also cleaned to eliminate debris that can interfere with ventilation or cause static-related issues. The power supply unit, externally accessible areas only, was cleaned to improve airflow through its ventilation grills. Cable management was checked and adjusted to ensure better airflow paths inside the case. After the internal components were cleaned, the exterior of the case, ports, and vents were also wiped and dusted to keep the system well maintained. Once the cleaning process was completed, the system was reassembled and tested for stable operation. Temperatures were monitored to confirm improved cooling performance, quieter fan operation, and smoother overall system behavior. With this deep cleaning, the desktop PC is now running more efficiently, stays cooler under load, and is better protected from dust-related issues, helping to extend the life and reliability of its hardware. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.